Today I'm going to show you how to fix a window that is really old. It's from the 70s and it's not working well. It's going up and down. It goes all the way up and it doesn't stay in the halfway. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. When you close it, it stays all the way down. But when you open it, it goes all the way up. One more time. It stays. Okay, open. Alright, there are two screws. And then on each side there is a spiral spring that creates a tension for the window to go up and down. And right now the tension is too much, so I need to release the tension a little bit. So I'm going to unscrew those two screws. Okay, I'm just removing this screw right here. You have to make sure you hold this, there's a bracket that is holding the tension. See, it's coming out. And I made this little tool. Probably cannot really see it that well. It has a hole. Let me undo this about 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here is the tension rod. There is a clip attached to it, and this thing, when you put in a brand new one, you had to twist it so you create tension, and then you put it back in there. So I release it about 3 rotations. All right, so actually it should be right here. So about 4 rotations. So you just put it back in, and there's a hole here that, let's see, not sure you can see well because it's a tight space here. And then I just need to put the screw back right, and it's just a regular screw. I don't know what the number is. So that's one side, and you have to do both sides. Here we go with the tension rod. So I'm going to release about 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4, and we put it back in right there. Put the screw back in. I made this hook myself. It's pretty simple. It's made out of a coat hanger. So just break the coat hanger and get this piece. And then you just bend the tip right here. This tool is also available online. You can buy it for about $10. But why spend $10 when you can make one? Also, the spring rods, you can buy them from a company online called Glasgow Company, I believe. So now let's check it out, see if it works. Let's close it all the way down. Open it. So now it stays wherever you want it to stay. Right here, or all the way. Close all the way down. Open this much. Open this much. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe. Bye-bye.